I bet you're wondering now, man, I done found the ARV and I understand rehab, okay, as far as the cost of one, just enough to make an offer. And now you're ready to make an offer. But what formula do I use, or what number do I do? How do I do this, okay? Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna give you the formula on how to make an offer, all right? And make range offers that's less aggressive so you can come off and increase your chances on closing a property. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gaither Hendricks and I help new people wholesale real estate by giving you information to help you find and close deals. All right, so keep in mind, this formula I'm about to go over is just a rule of thumb, okay? It's not the end all be all. This is something to help you get started, okay? All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so your ARV is actually what the property's actually worth, the give or take, and you want to times that by 70%, okay? That's where most investors like to be after rehab projects done. Then you want to minus your repairs and then minus your wholesale fee, all right? Just for a quick example, if your ARV is $100,000, all right? You times that by 70%, it comes out to $70,000, okay? Say for example, the seller told you that it just needs cosmetic work and you done the $15 per square foot. But just for example, let's say the rehab is around about $20,000, all right? If you done it, $100,000 times 70%, which comes out to 70, minus 20,000 for rehab, all right? You're at 50, and then you minus 20,000 for your wholesale fee, okay? So your max allowable offer is 30,000, okay? So now I know you're excited. Boom, this is an offer you can make. This is the price. But you do not want to start there, okay? Give yourself some leg room in order to negotiate and see what type of kickback you're going to get from the seller, all right? Never shoot yourself in the foot by offering your max allowable offer, because what you're doing is cutting into your profit. But at the same time, don't be so greedy. Don't be so greedy where you're not willing to cut into that to get a deal, okay? I'd rather have something than nothing, all right? So for example, now we know your max allowable offer is 30,000, all right? And you got the formula, ARV times 70% minus your repair, then minus your wholesale fee. So 100 grand is your ARV times 70% comes out to 70,000 minus 20, which puts you at 50. 20 is the rehab, and then minus 20 for your wholesale fee. So if I'm talking to a seller, you probably want to start out like this. Hey, Mr. Seller, normally we're buying properties in the area anywhere from about 19 to 23,000. Would you be interested in that? Shh. Oh, don't say nothing. Be quiet. That's how you should be on the phone. After you make your offer, shut up. Don't say nothing. Okay? He who speaks first loses in this scenario, all right? Be quiet, because you never know if they're willing to accept that, all right? And then if they say, well, nah, I can't go that low. I'm not sure we're a right fit. How close to that number could you get, okay? Let them give you an offer, okay? Let them counter back with a number, all right? And that's your range offer, all right? So if they accept 25, you know you possibly got a wholesale deal worth 25,000, okay? Now, if they say the best they can do is 35,000, then listen, take the 35,000, because you're going to make $15,000 on the wholesale fee, okay? If you sell it at the right price to the end buyer. So keep in mind, guys, that is just a quick formula to help you understand, make an offer and how to make a range offer after you get the formula you use, after you get the repair value. Like I said, if you need to go back to a video, click the link up here. This video will take you back to repair costs, and then this one would actually take you all the way back to finding the value, and you put them together and you're ready to make your offer. So like I say, guys, hit that like and subscribe button, so whenever I drop some more valuable content, it's going to help you as a real estate investor, real estate marketer, to help you find and close deals, okay? And put some comments below. Whatever you need help with, put it in there. I'll try to make some videos predicated to where you're, struggling with, all right? And remember, guys, it's a marathon, not a race. Patience finds your pace. Peace.